So we're just gonna sit here and wait for.
Oba.
Okay.
He's coming. Coming.
Okay. So
Yes.
are you sure that guy have good candidate for us?
Yeah. Very professional musicians.
Okay.
Yeah. Professional ones. Okay. Yes.
Because
The one that.
we're not here for no jokes. We're here for real business.
Say?
We're not here for jokes. We are here for real business.
Yeah, but calm down small. You are saying
I
something.
mean, I'm trying.
Manager.
Yeah. Oh, you're the pattern.
You keep us waiting.
Yeah, I know. Wow.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, as I was saying, I told you he's coming. That's
Right.
the manager, yeah.
So like we were saying right here, talking about, I was trying to know if you have a real good musician for us, like a real artist, not just a joke, you know.
So, Ose, also who say more artists are betting a pull crowd, or discover him. Sabi on come on, no D and I know Busa. And see what hide you with my cabrofoni because. And yet, be a make a sama or so almost a one casa or casa. We go all casa or catching and some more fun and wonder. It's cabrofoni belong to
Actually, we break up. I have management
Okay.
director. Nice to meet you.
Management director.
Yeah, management.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the management lead. I'm the founder. Yeah, Jeboy is there. Yeah, the music for my count. It's not for somebody.
So do you have anything to play for us to listen?
Oh yeah, but I'm not bringing here.
So, where is the boy?
The boy said he went out.
The boy has gone out.
Yeah.
So, when do we see him? Almost
Okay.
Can you try to call him?
I can call him.
You just want to listen to what he got.
Oh yeah, okay. I got you.
So we can patronize him.
I got you. I got you. Oh, you make it. Papa. I'm not far was here, but
You say the music is too good. It sounds nice.
It sounds nice.
People are requesting. People want to come on board to come and take the.
Yeah, why?
Hey,
You're fast, never says, yeah, why? You're fast, me want I sport one.
okay, Tessia.
I mean, what can tell you sport one? You're fast. Why? You're trying. I'm going for na babra. Oh, sorry for shouting.
No, you're right.
He's telling the boy to come.
Okay.
Who's coming? Oh, but the movement is how they wait here.
Now, who the boy?
Huh? That's one. Now we are one.
Should I serve you?
Huh?
Should I serve you?
Is it?
Should I serve
Oh,
you?
I can do it. So are we from you from America and now?
Yeah, all of them.
All
All
of
of
them.
us, yeah.
All of them.
Oh, okay. Right. Sure. Hello. Hey, boy!
Oh, fuck.
That Jimmy look like me. That just happened from about what I want again away. I don't know who is having a manager. I am the manager. Listen to me.
You know, the
What you process here, your brand Jimmy.
You know, the boys sometimes they are somehow.
I don't know.
Don't go there. I'm coming from there. Don't sit there and say
I'm just sitting there.
Yeah, I'm just sitting there.
So does it mean he can
But
scream?
he's coming.
You
He's
don't
coming.
necessarily have to scream. It's too loud.
Why are you screaming?
I didn't know.
You necessarily have to scream.
Oh, but when screaming is screaming.
You're screaming. Doesn't
Oh,
talk
but
to your voice.
it's for boy. I don't know.
You're kind of too loud.
that
Very
him?
loud.
Tata Obra.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. My cat just have brought from about. Oh, we wouldn't have said, You don't hear something man you be move. Sorry boy, you need to
That's the boy.
Yeah, that's the boy.
So that's the boy.
This the boy. This the boy. Okay.
We want you to play some of your songs for us to listen.
Seriously.
We want you to play some of your songs for us to listen.
What's up, boy? No more.
Okay. I'm she-saying.
Sorry?
I'm she-saying.
You are she. You are she saying.
That means you should sing that. That means you.
He can't speak English.
Oh no.
You also translate it to him. Where to listen? Yeah, translate it.
Okay, Bono.
Okay, Martin. That was him. Pass him. Him. Who pass him? Benya him. Assembly. Ghana him. Insempi. Kono him. Egama him. Nkwasi him. Ebufu him. Asofo him. Nada him. Sika him. Onyame him. Go him. Semi jamkwasi him. Jamkwasi him. Go him. Semi jamkwasi him. Ah. Jamkwasi him. Go him. Semi jamkwasi him. Jamkwasi him. Go him. Semi jamkwasi him. Jamkwasi him. Ebufu him. Asofo him. Asofo him. Mbaso him. Ntokwa him. Ntokeka. Now that's him. Go with some jump was him. The jump was him. Go with some jump was him.
Wow, I know that you almost said be play.
Are you guys okay with this one?
Nah.
What's the meaning?
What you say?
What's the meaning?
Is the meaning?
No, what does the song mean?
That person like insult.
It's an insult.
No. This is a blessing song.
So play another one. Do you have another one?
Yeah. Okay, you know something. I can use your name to sing.
My name.
Yes, to form a song.
What's your name?
Eddie Flo.
Eddie Flo. Eddie. Or Flo. Flo. What's your name? Spendy. Nessa.
Jesus.
Nessa.
You know Vanessa?
Spendy.
Vanessa, yeah.
Vanessa.
Yes.
Okay.
No insult.
But you hear them. Huh?
Flo.
What you here? 24 years. The Ghana Patrick Grammy. VJ. Here, 1, 2, hey, Vanessa, Adasa, Vanessa, Ediasa, Vanessa, Menosa, Vanessa, Atopasa, Vanessa, Tekasa, Vanessa, Medasa, Vanessa, Menosa, Vanessa, the manager in your home, and me, the pump of my passport, manager would see me, or some men in Jamaica, and yet, many that was feeling too, and you will make up what take down me, manager to an the song I'm somewhere.
No. I don't want this one. I'm not gonna listen to all this
We
shit.
don't even know what it means.
Why we have one last one? Let's play
Okay,
last
play
one.
the
Then.
last one. Is it good?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I have the last one. This one's a Grammy.
Okay.
I'm coming.
You can find the song.
24. This is the last one.
Hold on. Yo. Oh my goodness.
What does it mean?
What does it mean?
It's me like shit.
What the hell? Get the fuck out of here, man.
Oh,
You just
Are you serious?
yeah.
So you want us to invest the money in this kind of talent you're having right now?
No, Benny.
You know what? I've lost a lot of money. Get the fuck out of my face and don't let me fucking see you no more because I'll shoot your bitch ass. Get the fuck out of here. You come around me again, you are a dead motherfucking beat. Get the hell out of here.
Leave here.
Get out of here. No, blood, this is
The Benny.
Where you got?
Which one is Benny?
shit. You gonna sit here and talk all this hell,
Relax.
Hey, Obisika.
Who's that name I am?
Me, the count yourself. Obisika. What you know? Obisika. The patopa.
You're so
Come on,
violent.
leave this shit here. I'll smoke you.
Yo.
You sit right there. I'm not done with you. I'm not finna lose no fucking money right here. You sit down, you get out of here. Get out, nigga. You just pissed me off. Get out.
Trying to chill.
Get out.
Let it go.
But tell me,
What are you
You
worried?
sit down and let's talk.
Sister, come up.
I don't really give a heck. Sit your ass down right now. Sit down all the way.
And
you
what's
tell
he
somebody
wearing?
to do that.
What's he wearing?
What's
he wearing?
It's
What's he wearing?
It's a skirt.
Yeah.
No, your banana
Is he male or female?
This is someone said that.
Is he male or female?
Yeah.
Is he male or female?
Yeah, male or female?
Is he male or female?
Male or female, yeah.
What is it? Is he male or female?
Female.
He's a female.
Ah,
Oh, he's got boobs.
This is someone said that.
What?
He's got
Someone
boobs.
said that.
What does he mean?
What does it mean?
Something like that. Sister, come up.
Yo, listen. You know the reason why I let you sit right there?
No.
Because I wanted to tell you, I do not want to see you or your nigga right here. I do not want to see y'all motherfuckers around me ever again. You fucking hear me, no?
Here you go.
So all I tell you is to take this garbage and get lost. Alright, so you take your stuff.
Have you got arms?
Yeah, that's what they decided.
What? What did you say?
He said, since he
I
came,
know I can't talk.
What did you say?
Relax. What he's saying, he says, since he came all the way from Abu Abu, he wants glory for
I'm not.
Leave. You better leave.
Listen, I'm not finna give you no
Glory
goddamn
for it.
fucking money, right?
What?
Take
Are
this
you okay?
garbage and don't let me see you no more.
Yo, you brought someone, you can't even identify whether he's a male or female. And you're here talking about glory.
Oh, glad.
But sometimes
And
then on camera, me
Flo,
abuse.
he's so insistent you give him money, so
Yo, you want to show
Hey,
me?
hey.
Fuck out of here. Get up. Go.
it's okay. It's okay. Just leave me, yeah? It's okay. Yo!
You want me to come there? You want me to show you my heat?
No, I'm not showing nothing, but you're taking food, girl.
You want me to show you though?
Manager.
You call yourself gangster? I done got you around the corner. I wanna blow your fucking heart, motherfucker, up. I done got you around the corner. I wanna blow your fucking mother up. You crazy, your mother. When I got you, wanna blow your fucking motherfucker up. I got you, you crazy, your mother. Ah, Obla. I see about you crying before I bet you near man. What's it? I what? What you see? I see I come my ball. Sign you now because you're mentally thinking no. And now I got to sign. Ah, what do you mean, boy? Who can't blow for the fuck? What do you know? So many. Oh, what's that? Some of you. Now, what you want before I do near man? Hey, no, what should you do? What's it? Maybe mem need you na me more kasa say wo kwasa bra untie ma say me bi me manage you we artist am manage you abrofo ba e ba be fo adu akwa ablochire kwasa nyu bi obo ma dileti o bra na be to nyu mi hwe akwa mene e ka ba po nyina ma ba ka ba
Obo ono ma nsu bia o.
Bra e ka ba bo na so do be manage artist party ka fa 7 photo ayi taxi na anya adwuma ma eh ya wo artist ana
we artist for my child
ade
we artist for my child nkoye sene nkoye na me kon kwasa ni class do obo
ana kwasa sa many bra ma to de kakra ma me hade me kada ta otuna ya beat bi o bia me de be ma no wo de he bra to de no
Ono ni mevas.
meduso
la we kwasa ya pa wa to yon kwa bo many ye kan na don
Mani da onza me ye. Onza me
adim
ye.
ke to asa kura
Mani da me say. Eno ma nsu ho. O say eno wan ka bia.
ha so wunyim na uti meti
Na
o
wa ka say
ko fo de o pa ko fo obi abla me fa ne ma ne ma
Onza so me say say.
take you me sika ma
You just can say.
eh adan ma fo akodi di shopping kwa me kwa ma o say adim sa afen
Manager no go di na de wiase nipa de na e kire be men na me nkwa na nipa mai bone
etu ni sasa anyo we nya ho na wan to akoto me ne
asa no no me nsu wo se me sa manager
yo ba ku ti kwa ba me de me manager ko no manager atisa no mu di mu asem no
ai na akwa ko to do ma machine to fo nwe
wa ko to to ko o se kan pasa
na mama bodi mama bodi
o kan pasa century ah asia kabana o so no sana to no me akwa me nye fast atisa me koto ne mama o ye du o anu apante se to kabana
obi artist manager ko to atala mata na ko ta be na
eh one two so why the two so again
manager wo se say me tua say wo ko say maji mi say me kan say wo ko kan say wo to ne say that the say e ba ne say wo ko ne say wo for say